of numbers, right? E1, E2, E3, E4, E5, E6, E7. That means I have enumerated and I have given some names. Okay. So what do they mean? What did I wanted them to represent?
Different energy levels.
Different energy levels, right? Now, when I say that, okay, what is the highest energy level of the valency band? Em represent chesam ikkada.
E7.
Highest energy level of the valency band. Em represent chesamu.
E3.
E3, right? Highest energy level of the conduction band.
E7.
What is the lowest energy level of the conduction band?
E4.
E4.
What is the lowest energy level of the valency band?
E1.
E1.
Okay, go. So what are E2, E5, E6?
Intermediate.
Intermediate energy levels, right? Okay. Now, but basically, please understand that in valency band, you just don't have E1, E2, E3, only not, okay, just three. You will have a very large number of energy levels which are very closely packed. You'll have very large number of energy levels which are very closely packed. Okay. But only for understanding, I am taking only 3 energy levels here. Similarly, I am taking only 4 energy levels in the conduction band. Now, what are total energy transitions possible here? How many energy transitions are possible here? 10 seconds to answer Chapali. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. What happened? Yeah, somebody answered. How many? Sir, energy transition and ento cheptanu, taratana cheptaram chalo. Okay. So if the electron is jumping from E4 to E3, we call that as one transition. If it is jumping from E4 to E2, that is another transition. If it is jumping from E4 to E1, that like that another transition. Like that, how many transitions are possible? Make it fast. 5 seconds now. 5, 4,
12.
3, 12. Good. Okay. With these, okay, only specified the 7 energy levels, you have 12 transitions that are possible. Ante how many frequencies are possible? 12 frequencies.
12.
So if at all if this number is not just 4 in the conduction band and okay 3 in the valency band, if it is okay some 1000 over there, how many transitions would be possible? 1000 into 1000. How many frequencies are possible? That many number of frequencies. That implies you will have a large group of frequencies that is coming out. So that large group of closely packed frequencies is what you call as a frequency band, energy band. Okay. So this valency band is one energy band, conduction band is another band. Okay. And the energy difference between these two things is a forbidden band. Good. What's a band? Group of energy levels. What is a band? Group of energy levels. Okay. Right. So when is the transition? Yama, Chapam. Ask.
Sir?
Ama.
So when electron jumps from E7 to E3 and E7 to E2 like that, sir, frequencies will be emitted different, no, sir? So
Yes.
these emitted frequencies doesn't form a band like thing. So
no, they are independent energy levels. One particular energy to another energy level. Okay, there is a particular energy difference. Okay. So the energy difference is E7 minus E3. So that's a particular energy value. It's not a band, it's a level. Good question. Okay. Is that understood?
yeah, sir, but though it is a different thing, the group of that we can call it as a band, no, sir. So the different energy levels of a frequency band cannot they form a band altogether?
Right. Okay. Now band implies closely spaced energy levels. Very closely spaced energy levels. Okay. Yeah. Right. Here you see, okay. S1, S2 and ground state are separated by large energy values. S1, S2 and G, ground state S0 are separated by large energy values. Okay. But when you look at the energies within the ground state, they are very, very closely. Okay, this is a band. Okay, you can say that this is your valency band, and S1. Okay, this stretch is nothing but your conduction band. But sir, if it is valency band and conduction band, how can you have more bands? Okay, that is possible. Only that we don't talk in our lower classes, but that is also possible. Let's not worry about. Okay, so what you say is S1 group is your conduction band and S0 group is your valency band. And whenever there is a transition, so how many 12 into 12? 144 transitions are possible between these two things. I've just, okay, here adne chupicham kabatti ande cheptunnanu. But 144 transitions are possible between this. So those energy levels are very, very close to each other. So that is why that we call it as a band. Okay. Now don't accept. If you have understood, good. If not, you can further ask questions. Is that understood, Amma?
Sir,